Alright, so when we're done here on the Civil Standards tab, we've imported our feature definitions from our SMD XML or our XIN file. We've also set up our settings, our survey settings here to import the data as we need. So we can go over to the Survey tab and we can actually start importing raw data there. To do that, we can right-click here on the field books, create a new field book, and then load data file into that. We have different options here. We can import feature from graphics. We can use a text import wizard to bring it in, or we can import one of those files that we saw back in the settings. We can control this list of files that it's looking for. Another simple way of doing it is just go in Windows and to the file location and grab it and drag and drop it into the survey window. When we do that, we'll see that the graphics are generated automatically. We have a lot of graphics instantly. We have our terrain model using the feature definition that we set back in the survey settings. We have all of our observation data. We have annotations on the points, and we have some warning messages that come up instantly. So let's turn some of those off right now just to start cleaning things off. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn off the terrain model display by clicking on it, and I'm going to turn the contours off. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off these observation graphics. When I expand the field book, I'm going to go to all observations and turn those off. I'm also going to turn off my setups, which I can see my the traverse that was run here. I'm going to turn those off as well. If I zoom in on each point in the survey, I can see that it has the point name, code, and elevation all around it. Those are the annotations, so I'm going to right click on all point features annotations, and I'm going to turn off name, and also I'm going to turn off the feature, and I'm going to turn off the elevation and description. That will leave the custom operations, and really the custom operations are what I want to use to import the file. So they're putting the cell there, they're putting the symbol, they're putting the the text there. And then I have two error messages here, so let's just click on those and see what the problem is. If I hover over it, the glyph, I can look and see that that we have a feature definition that's not found. So we have a coding error on this point. The point name is 141-1, and also, and we can see I have another coding error here, probably another typo at 116-1. I can look at those if I actually go here into all point features. If I the errors are also showed here, and the feature definition is not found in red. This is some kind of closed rectangle error, so I can come and fix that up. I can actually click on it, go over to my survey details pane, and here's my error. I can correct the feature definition as I need.